Hey guys, it's Nicole. It's an early morning and we are headed to the Far Hills Rummage sale.
What are you doing?
I'm recording. So stick with us. Tucker will not be here, so say goodbye.
Goodbye.
We're gonna head out to the Far Hills Rummage sale and see what we can find for the store.
No.
So it ended up being an amazing day for the sale. Melissa and I headed out pretty early, waited in line, but we got first-hand experience of this rummage sale. Unbelievable items, endless aisles of furniture and home decor. There was so much to see, you could not take it in all in one day. All of these items are donated by the community to help raise funds for the Visiting Nurse Association in this area. And it is a 2-time-a-year event, but it has not actually happened in 3 events due to COVID. So this year it was jam-packed with donations. She was pretty creepy, but awesome. There were antiques, vintage items, new items, so many different styles. Anything you could imagine was there. This was just one of our about 8 hauls back to the truck. As you can see, it hardly fit. Melissa actually had to have a ton of stuff on her lap. These are just a few of my favorite items that I got. And yes, that's a burned up ironing board. Thank you so much guys for watching. I hope you consider liking and subscribing.